Hello friends, you are welcome in KM Video Only Education channel. Today we are going to learn English question set which is useful for English conversation. Fill in the blank with your own information. मोकळ्या जागी स्वतःची माहिती भरा. Question number 1. How many brothers do you have? Answer. I have dash. Question number 2. How many sisters do you have? Answer. I have dash. Question number 3. How many members are there in your family? Answer. There are dash members in my family. Question number 4. What is your father? Answer. My father is dash. Question number 5. What is your mother? Answer. My mother is dash. If you like video, please share, comments and subscribe KM Video channel. Also, to obtain notification of next new videos, press bell icon. Thank you.